Today in this episode, I'm going to be unboxing the Zhiyun Crane 3-axis gimbal stabilizer. Now, what a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer does is it allows you to get smooth shots when you're shooting videos. This particular model is meant for cameras such as the Sony A7R or A7S, and also for Canon DSLRs. This will run you about $650. There's a cheaper version of this, which is called the Crane M, I believe it's called, or the Crane S. It's only meant for light mirrorless cameras like the Sony A6000, 6300, or 6500. I got this because I've had experience shooting with a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer before. I shot with the Came TV stabilizer a few months ago at a wedding, and I was so impressed by how the shots turned out. It was very smooth, and I didn't need to do much in post in terms of stabilizing the shot because they were already smooth in camera. So, and I rented the Came TV for that wedding, and I decided to finally get one for myself. I've looked online. There were a lot of good reviews for this particular brand and this particular model, so I decided to get one for myself. And so here goes with the unboxing. Alright, so it comes in a case already. That's cool. Nice. Alright, it comes with a hard case. It's good for traveling. And this is the stabilizer. It comes with a user guide, battery charger, cleaning cloths, which is good, comes in handy. What is this? Okay, quick release mount and plate. Two screws. I believe this is used to balance. I'm not sure, but I'm just assuming. This is the first time I'm seeing it, so I'm guessing this is for when you have a long lens or a heavier lens connected to your camera. I'm guessing this is to support it. USB cable. 2 batteries. This is the grip. And this is the stabilizer. All right, cool. So when stabilizing, I believe it's gonna be like this. Yeah, it's like this, and then batteries go in here. Let's give this a try. Let's try to power this on. I'm not sure if the batteries are charged, the batteries that they provided, but we'll find out. Just try to get this open. Guessing it goes in this way. Let me just make sure. So this is the joystick. Yeah, it's the joystick, and then the mode button, I guess, to change the different types of modes when you're shooting. It has a zoom in, zoom out. So I'm guessing this is for cameras that have that function that allow you to control it from here. And I'm assuming that this is the wire that connects to the camera so you can control those functions. Yep. All right, so let's power this on. All right, there you go. All right, so the batteries are charged. Obviously it's not balanced because there's no camera on it, but so far everything seems to be working just fine. All right, so there you have it. This is the Zhiyun Crane. Whoa, it's vibrating. Okay, I should turn this off. All right, so oh, here's another cool thing. It has a 1/4 thread on the bottom, so I'm guessing if you want to mount this on a tripod so you can balance it, so you don't have to hold it and try to balance it. You can put it on a tripod and it'll be much easier to balance, and then, you know, take it off the tripod once it's fully balanced. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna test this out this weekend when I go to the Poconos, and I'll show you guys my results. All right, thanks for watching.